and welcome to Home Start Marketing. I thought I'd shoot a quick little video, and it's in regards to putting images into your WordPress blogs or websites. Up until recently, in fact for the last year or so, I've been going to Pixabay, for example, selecting an image, which I'll select one here, selecting an image and then having to download it and then re-upload it to WordPress, which is quite time consuming if you've got quite a long blog piece. This morning, however, I discovered that there was a plugin, and I'll show you what that is. You go to plugins on your WordPress dashboard, run a search for instant images, and if you check the first result, there's a plugin called Instant Images, which I downloaded, and this is the result. If I go to a post and I want to put an image between these two paragraphs and I select Add Media, in the past I would have to upload files or choose from previously uploaded images. But if you notice here, there's a third tab called Instant Images. If I select that, lo and behold, we've got Unsplash, Pixabay, Pexels. And if I select my search, for example, marketing again, run a search, and say, for example, I select this one, not that I particularly would, but for an example, it will immediately pop up here, and then we insert into post. And there we go, voila, we have an image. So instead of having to go to these various free stock libraries, download, and then re-upload, we can simply select from this new plugin where it says Add Media. We have instant images now, and then we've got access to thousands of images which will directly integrate with our website. I hope you found the video useful. I'm kicking myself because I wish I'd have found this a long time ago. Thank you for listening, and go and check it out.